Welcome everyone. This is the second one, the level that we are at right now. See the counter. See how it has already been. You have already done the counter. Already do the plastering of the counter. Also, I've already done the wiring. If you look up the ceiling, you won't see any bulb, any light up. The reason why I didn't haven't yet installed the light. The lights are there, but the reason why I haven't yet installed it is because of the when they have to first of all paint the ceiling, because there is still work that needs to be done in the ceiling. They have to see all those holes. Then after now they come and paint it before I can fit in the light. I can't fit in the light right now. That's the reason why I haven't not yet put it right yet. But all the gadgets are here. Even if you look closely, you see some of the gadgets are here, like the socket and the switch. I haven't even installed them yet. If you look closely, you see. If you can look right here, you see the cable. I haven't installed them yet because they have to paint. When they will paint until when paint will come and pass. Because if I put this, you got to cover this place, and this place will not be painted. And normally, some of the sockets will be really mixed with the paint. That's why I decided not to put this right now until when that's going to be like the other thing, like one of the last things, so that after the painting, just fill in the stuff. But any other thing, because any wiring has been done. That was just right there, and that's the security box right there. You see that? That's the security box right there. In case of any fault, I will switch it off and switch it in. That's security box. These are for switch. These two one are for switch. Those are sockets. There's not really that much to show. Also, this one, the plastic has been done, but it hasn't finished yet. The plastic hasn't finished yet because I have a little issue me and him, but nevertheless, we're gonna arrange it yet. So this is just a little quick one that I should show you guys, and the level that we had. I tell you guys that we almost done because everything is going at the speed of light. We almost done. Not really much is left to be done here, apart from just the finishing. There are just some few finishing touches that needs to be done here. Like for example, let me show you guys something. For example, I'm gonna do, like, for example, we got this one. We got this veranda. This veranda needs to be done. It has not yet completed. Then we need to still add one step here because this place is too high. This place is too high to go down, so we have to add again one step there. And also, there's a lot of connection that needs to be done in this place because I needs to do a fantastic design. You guys will see a design that needs to be done here. A really fantastic design that needs to be done here. Needs to be. I'm going to create a magic. How is going to create you guys a magic? How is magic? You can just call it like how is magic. Like everything. Also, the guy for the pipes, for these pipes, like the plumber, he was supposed to come and do it, but I told him to hold on first, before we will do it. I just told him to hold on first because he pressurized me to come and walk the way. I told him that let him hold on first, but that one, there's nothing. We're gonna do that because when he passed, he needs to pass. I think, like, because of this place, these things that they have cut this thing, and it has been stolen. So I think he's going to dig it out right up this way, but it passes through this way, go towards that way, something like that. There's one that goes towards that way at the toilet side. So he needs to dig again and put it, because before we do the floor, he needs to come and put those things. That's why if you see here, they haven't done yet touched that place because of the plumber. I think some pipes also needs to go up like this. Go up. If you can see right here, I don't know if you guys can see right here. This is a pipe that was coming down here. That is gold. That's it right here. This thing. That's a fine right there. That is gold. Okay, guys. That's it for now. I just wanted to show you guys this little one, the little things, how far we've been going, it's been going. But I can say surely 100% work is advancing, things are in place, just needs to do some finishing touches. Yeah, they call it finishing touches. That's what is remaining now. Just the finishing touches. Looking for where there are some little errors, put it down. Like for example, this type of place like this that's broken, finishing touches, put all those stuff and some other things that needs to be done because I really need to design this place. I got an idea, guys. I got a fantastic idea to design this place. You guys should just keep on watching and see what I'm going to do. I really had a fantastic idea. I'm going to, put this place in a magical way. That's what I'm going to do. Alright, I just want to say thank you for this from my end and stay tuned. Keep on watching Exodus Gabon. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. And yeah, give the video a thumbs up if you like this video. And I'll see you guys on our next video. Au revoir.